Unsure of what you should use the D12 for? Well, for one thing, it's got the same amount of sides as the months in a year. Hi, and welcome to this channel where we are serious about the unserious. And in this channel we care for the geeky and playful parts of life. And we focus on the ones who not only consume but also create geek culture in one form or another. If you are a self-defining geek passionate about creating, this is the place for you. I'm Jon Back and I've been studying playful design for well over 10 years. And I even got so far as getting my PhD in the subject. Over the coming week we will look at dice and randomness. One die per episode, one episode per day. So click on the subscribe button and click that little bell icon, that way you don't miss anything. This is a 12-sided die, or a D12. The D12 is a dodecahedron, meaning it's got 12 sides, 30 edges and 20 vertices. And it's one of the 5 platonic solids, meaning all angles and all sides are equal. And according to Plato, this is the last solid, the one the gods used to arrange the heavens. And this is not the same thing as ether, as that is a later concept by Aristotle. And even though Aristotle said that the heavens were made of ether, he never made a connection to the dodecahedron. But I digress. The D12 is a nice, roundish shape, but still flat enough to easily land on one side and stay there. It's got pentagonal sides, unlike all of the other platonic solids. And even though 12 is not a common base to count in, it's still quite a useful number, as it is a dozen. A dozen is a historically important number, as it is easily to divide with a lot of different things. It's also the amount of hours in a day, and half of the hours in a day and a night. It's also the number of months in one year, meaning this is a good device both to randomize hours and to randomize months. To get to know more about different kinds of dice and randomness, there's a playlist over here with all the episodes. And if you like this and would like to help out, then become one of the creative geeks by subscribing and leaving a comment and sharing this video with a friend. It really does make a difference and I really appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, you can always share it with an enemy.